Hi there. I'm going to take a minute to show you Aurora's optimization engine. Once within a new design, you can click on the Optimize icon. This opens up a dialog where you can set your maximum energy target. Then you can configure various types of inverters. For this case, I'm going to deselect microinverters and choose which modules I want to optimize for. I'm also going to remove some DC power optimizers. Lastly, you can select your orientation for your modules, and when you're ready, click OK to begin the optimization engine. The engine will reveal optimized designs as they are created during the process. Once the optimization engine completes, the design showing is the best choice for meeting your energy target. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy this new feature.